Congressman Chris Van Hollen has represented the 8th District of Maryland since 2002. His responsibilities have included being assistant to the Speaker and the Chair of the Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee. Currently, he is serving his second term as the top Democrat on the House Budget Committee. A graduate of Swarthmore College, the John F. Kennedy School of Government at Harvard, and Georgetown University Law Center, Congressman Van Hollen decided early on he wanted to dedicate his life to helping people.
I saw politics as a way to try and change things for the better, whether it was looking for ways to help people and families with disabilities or cleaning up the environment in the state of Maryland, Chesapeake Bay, or dealing with other pressing issues.
Throughout his career, Congressman Van Hollen has been a champion of human and civil rights. Today, he is a key government leader advocating for people who are differently abled in Maryland and throughout the country.
I recall meeting a family that had kids with Down syndrome, and these kids were so loving and so beautiful that I just fell in love with the family and wanted to make sure that people who had Down syndrome could take advantage of their full potential and would have opportunities like other people.
Congressman Van Hollen is a staunch advocate for the Americans with Disability Act and the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. In 2013, with support from others, including Congresswoman McMorris Rodgers, he reintroduced the ABLE Act, bipartisan legislation allowing individuals with disabilities to maintain tax-free savings accounts.
Chris has been just a champion on so many issues important to those with disabilities. He's been very effective on some of the research initiatives as well as the lead on this ABLE Act legislation.
Where you have the disability community, you have parents that want and need help. You have healthcare issues that need to be understood. And Chris is a leader on disability issues.
In 2011, Congressman Van Hollen joined the Congressional Down Syndrome Caucus as one of 4 co-chairs.
I just am delighted to be able to work with Kathy and the other members of the caucus to try and pass legislation. We have a great team, really a bipartisan team, a nonpartisan team when it comes to addressing Down syndrome issues. Kathy McMorris Rodgers is just a terrific part of our team, Pete Sessions, and Eleanor Holmes Norton.
The caucus is a powerful supporter of the Global Down Syndrome Foundation. The foundation's mission is to invest in research and medical care that will significantly improve the lives of people with Down syndrome, and highlighting the need for more funding and support in D.C. is essential.
I think the work of the foundation is very important. They keep us at the Down Syndrome Caucus updated on their findings, and we take those findings very seriously. We want to salute them for that very important work.
Thank you for working on new ways to fix our faulty hearts, our bad hips, and our poor vision. Thank you for helping to find new ways for us to learn and live and work along with everyone else in our communities.
So many people don't recognize how much progress we've made and how rapidly progress is happening. And this is something where, these investments have tremendous returns.
There may also be links between Down syndrome and other conditions, whether it be Alzheimer's or other issues. So that research is very important, and I'm very focused on trying to expand our commitment to that research, not shrink it.
We've recently discovered that every person with Alzheimer's disease develops cells in their brain and the rest of their body that look like cells from a person with Down syndrome.
The Global Down Syndrome Foundation and the Alzheimer's Association are joining forces to help both our populations through scientific discovery.
Greater funding by and for the National Institutes for Health is life-changing for people with Down syndrome. It is critical to help identify why people with Down syndrome are so prone to certain diseases and protected against others, and what treatments work for this special population.
Everybody's very committed to try to get more resources into research, medical research into Down syndrome that could help supplement or be additive with what the foundation does, the good work of the foundation. It's so important to make sure that individuals with Down syndrome are able to take advantage of their full potential. We need to make sure that, to the extent we can, that they can be totally independent in their living.
For his dedication to significantly improving the lives of people with Down syndrome, the Global Down Syndrome Foundation is proud to present Congressman Chris Van Hollen with the 2013 Quincy Jones Exceptional Advocacy Award.